Welcome back, guys. Today we're hanging out at Percy Priest Lake, enjoying the beach. Tonight and tomorrow night we're going to camp at Poole Knobs campground. Tomorrow we're going to check out the Nashville Cars and Coffee meetup, and the day after, on Sunday, we're going to check out the Stones River National Battlefield. So stay tuned. What kind of chump pays for firewood? We are all set up at Poole Knobs campground. So when we made the reservation online, they didn't have very good pictures, which is pretty typical for campsites. So we just picked one at random and we pulled in, and I kid you not, that thing was on a slope like sideways. So we were like, hey, would you be willing to switch us with something a little more flat? So they helped us out. They were very helpful. So we got set up in our new campsite. Gonna get some dinner going here soon, and good buddy Robert should be rolling up any minute now. Campsite's got a nice picnic table, little fire pit, plenty of extra firewood laying around. This site's fairly level, but some of them are a little bit worse than others. So tomorrow morning we were going to go to the Nashville Cars and Coffee at the Super Speedway, but they're talking about rain and quite a bit of it. So it looks like we're probably going to be cooped up under the awning for most of the day, which is kind of a bummer. But you know, any camping is good camping. We're just happy to be outside and going to make the most of it. Robert just pulled into camp. We got some burgers on the stove for dinner. And man, what a beautiful night for some camping. Clear skies. For now, anyway. These sweet fire starters are pretty nifty. All right, cut.
I don't know how to.
Good morning, guys. Potatoes and eggs. Business as usual on a rainy Saturday morning. Pro tip for you guys: if you take a wet hand towel and you place it on top of your goodies in your cooler, it does a great job of keeping the ice cold, keeping the hot air out of the top of the cooler. Definitely recommend it. Try it next time you're packing out your cooler.
This here's my favorite TV show. Come on, run back.
Cars and Coffee was a bust. We are on our way to the battlefield. Gonna check it out and hopefully come away with a patch. We'll see. Did you say Robert's pressing buttons?
No. Pressing buttons.
Robert's pressing buttons.
Rosecrans served as a Union base of operations during the occupation of Murfreesboro.
Sergeant Major Lyman Whitney of the 34th Illinois Infantry remembers.
We were building fires and making coffee, for such permission had been granted just before daylight. The comfort of warming chilled fingers and toes, and drinking a grateful cup of hot coffee.
Since the rain is coming down, we're doing the driving tour through the battlefield. Got a nice little map we're going to try and follow and check out some of the scenic spots. Picked up the loot from the Stones River battlefield. Is it even a trip, really, if you didn't come home with a new patch? And they had these mystery Lego sets. We both got the eagle. Double eagles. Using leftover parts, we made 2 little baby birds.
That fake shot.
What the heck? Why is he not moving?
Good morning, guys. We packed up camp pretty early, decided to hit the road. The campsite was $22 a night, and that included all the amenities, the campground, hot showers. It was pretty clean, pretty nice. I'd recommend it if you're in the Laverne, Murfreesboro area. I don't know that we'll be back just because there's so many other campsites to choose from. You know, we're always looking for someplace new, something fun to do. So for right now, we're gonna go ahead and put up our new patch, Stones River National Battlefield. Let's put it right here. There it is, another trip in the books. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll catch you next time.